Today we look at the speed of learning. In our previous video, we saw how gradient descent finds the minimum of a function. But there is one crucial lever we have not talked about yet. This single parameter controls the speed and stability of learning. It is the learning rate. If the learning rate is too small, progress is painfully slow. The model takes tiny steps that might take forever to reach the bottom. Imagine trying to cross a mountain range by crawling 1 millimeter at a time. But what if we are too impatient? A large learning rate makes the model jump across the landscape. Instead of settling into the minimum, it might bounce from side to side, or worse, overshoot completely and diverge, flying off into infinity. This is the unstable path where learning never happens. The goal is to find the sweet spot. A well-tuned learning rate descends efficiently, taking bold steps at first and then slowing down as it nears the target. In modern machine learning, we often use adaptive rates that adjust themselves automatically, ensuring we reach the global minimum as fast as possible without crashing. Even with a good learning rate, where we start matters. If we begin our descent in a flat region of the landscape, progress is slow regardless of step size. Conversely, starting near a steep cliff could lead to massive updates that throw the model off balance. The interplay between starting position and learning rate is the first hurdle in training. This brings us to a common trap: local minima. These are pits where the slope is zero, making the model believe it has finished its job. A small learning rate will get stuck here effortlessly. One strategy is to use a larger rate to jump out of these shallow traps, but that comes with the risk of missing the global minimum entirely. If we cannot pick a single perfect rate, why not change it over time? This is the core idea of learning rate scheduling. We start with a large rate to explore the landscape quickly, and then gradually decay the rate as we approach the minimum. This lets us have the speed of a large step and the precision of a small one. More advanced algorithms like Atom go even further. Instead of one rate for every parameter, they adapt the step size individually for every weight. This means we can accelerate in flat directions and slow down where the landscape is steep and noisy. In modern deep learning, these adaptive optimizers are the standard tool for reaching peak performance. To wrap up, the learning rate is the most important hyperparameter in your model. Too small, and you never finish. Too large, and you never arrive. By finding that golden balance and using modern adaptive tools, we turn a noisy search into a direct path to intelligence. Finding the sweet spot is key.